Good morning. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I am going to share with you in this video my Sunday morning routine. So every Sunday I dedicate maybe 30 to 45 minutes to my planning. That is part of my self-care routine. And yes, I could do this whole process. I could do it really fast, but I like to take my time. Usually Sunday mornings are very slow and the kids sleep in. Andres leaves very early to go play golf, so it does give me time to be by myself, to be in a house that it's quiet, and to just get myself ready for the week. So I am going to plan out my daily plans for Sunday and share with you a little bit of my process and how I combine my weekly planner and my daily planner. So the first thing that I do is I turn to my to my current week's layout, and down here I write down things that I need to get done. I write them down on the day that I hope to get them done, but if I don't get them done on that day, it's not a big deal. I use the lower part of my planner as a running weekly to-do list. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna see what things I have not yet done for this week, and then that is when my my daily comes into play, because I will write down just a running brain dump to-do list of things that I want to accomplish this morning. So that's what we're going to do right now. I'm going to use the stickers from Paper Minty Studio. This is Chamomile. I'm going to use a to-do sticker from Paper Planning, and this is in the color Cement. And then I'm going to use these two washies. And I'm just going to go ahead and open my daily planner, and I also check the list that I've made during the week. And this list, I made it on Friday, so anything that I have not yet accomplished from this list will also go in my new daily. Okay, so I have written down the things that I want to accomplish this morning. I've taken from this list that I hadn't finished a few things, and then I've also taken from my weekly. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn to my week, to the upcoming week, and I will just add in the things that are set, so appointments, and then if I think of anything that I want to get done on a specific day, I will go ahead and write that in. I tend to plan out my week the first half on Sundays, and then I go ahead and I fill in the remainder of the week as things come up during the week. So my style of planning has definitely changed over the years, and I just find that doing it this way helps me keep things more realistic instead of just planning out the entire week of things that I hope to accomplish and then feeling bad that I didn't. I just take it a few days at a time. So I'm gonna pre-plan. I'm gonna write out my plans for the first half, and then throughout the week, I'll add in the rest, and you can always check out my completed spread over on Instagram. Okay, so this is how my weekly tends to look on Sunday mornings. I will go ahead and I always add in things as they come up and as I remember, and then by the end of the week, it is all filled out and it's all done. Okay, you guys, so this is my morning routine. So a little bit of daily planning to get all the things done. We are going away this weekend, so that is why I want to get as much done at the beginning of the week, and then we're gonna be out of town Thursday and Friday. Okay, so this is my morning routine for Sundays. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to share with you a couple of tips. I know it's a little bit tricky to see the whole process when it's so pieced together throughout the week. But if you do have any questions regarding anything that I've shared today, please don't hesitate to reach out. And thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss my next videos. Thank you so much and have a wonderful rest of your week.